Okay, going live. Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Is my voice audible? Is my voice audible and the screen visible? Please pin down in the comment section. Okay. Yes, let's begin the lecture. Hello Archie. Okay. This is the session number 3, students. So this is completely dedicated to the practice session. And one category of question is left that we'll be discussing today in today's class. Okay. So this is the ratio and proportion third session. Hello everyone. Okay, audible? Fine. Okay, hello everyone. I welcome you all on the platform of Global Online. So this is Akshata, your educator. I'm dealing with your mathematical reasoning unit, and in today's session we'll be talking about the topic named as ratio and proportion. Before this, we have already conducted session based upon percentage topic in the last week, and two more sessions on ratio and proportion again uploaded previously, so you can go and watch from the playlist. So here we'll be discussing each and every topic of mathematical reasoning from basic to the advanced level. So if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe it. Okay, so every day we go live at 5. Also, to clear the examination in first go, it is mandatory to score maximum marks in paper 1, and to make it possible, we have come up with a complete course for the paper 1 preparation. It consists of the following features, students. You will be provided with the full syllabus video lectures. Through these video lectures, you can clear all your concepts and the doubts in the live session itself. Topic wise MCQs are provided to you. Full syllabus notes, which is easily downloaded through your mobile phone as well. Full syllabus mock test. Through this mock test, you can test your preparation and analyze the preparation of yours. At the same time, students, the question asked in the mock test can be directly replicated in the examination as well. Hence, this is an important feature. 5,000 plus MCQ question bank is also provided. Now, the MCQs are compiled in such a way that most repeated questions, highly expected, which can be directly asked in your examination, have been compiled in this question bank. So, with all the above features, you can get enrolled to the course in the course fees of just 2,400 rupees. The new batch is starting for paper 1 preparation in Hindi as well as in the English language. Okay, Delhi live lectures will be conducted for you. The starting of the new batch is from 22nd of April 2024. The course fees is 2,400 rupees. This is after the discount. Do contact us on this given WhatsApp number for the enrollment of course. At the same time, for free videos, you can access the Global Online application. You have to install it. Once installed, open the application. In store icon, you have to go. Later on in my courses page, there is a search tab where you have to type UGC NET 2024. Course will be displayed downwards. Okay. So after opening the course, such a kind of overview is given to you. In content section, there are different folders and MCQ question banks are also provided to you. Okay, so free demo videos are provided here only. So without any further ado, let's begin with the lecture. We have already seen what is proportion. We have already seen what is equivalent ratio. Yesterday, we have completely dedicated a class for the questions based on distribution along with the uniform ratio concept. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll practice questions and at the same time, we will solve one new category. Okay, one new category of question. So let's start up with the question series of today. Yes, hello everyone, good evening. This is the question number 1. What is the question? Please look at the question first. The ratio of the present ages of Priya and her mother is 3:7. The mother's age at the time of Priya's birth was 48 years. Find the mother's present age. Now, this is the category which can be asked in the exam. Okay, so please do focus. जो students नए हैं, please focus on the screen. If you haven't watched the previous video, it's okay. attend today's session. Later on, you watch the previous session. Okay. So everyone, please solve the question and tell me the answer fast. Ratio of present ages of Priya and her mother is given. And mother's age at the time of Priya's birth was 48 years. Okay, find the mother's present age. Chalo, try to solve this question. Anyone? Yes, anyone? Look here, students. What is given to you in the question? Understand the data. Decode the data first. Understand it carefully. Okay. Ratio of present ages of Priya and her mother is given. Now, present ages are given. Is the actual date of the age is given to you, students? कि आपको यहाँ पे प्रिया और उसकी मम्मी का actual age दिया है क्या? No. Are the actual ages given to you? No. Okay. The ratio of the present ages or the actual ages is given to you. This is the present age, and the ratio of ages of Priya to her mother is how much? This is equal to 3/7 or 3:7. Correct? Correct? Okay. So let us consider, let the Priya's age be 3x, 3x, or 3 parts we can say, okay, and her mother's age, let it be 7 parts or 7x. We are considering the ages of Priya and her mother to be 3 parts, that is 3x, and mother's age is 7 parts, that is 7x. Okay. It means how many total parts are there, students? How many total parts are there? This is not important, but just I am explaining you the fact. How many total parts are there? 7 parts and 3 parts. It means total part are 10x. Correct? Correct? So tell me if I'm considering one thing over here. Just a minute. If, for example, Priya's mother age is 40 now. Priya's mother's age is 40. Okay? And Priya's age is 10 years, for example. This is Priya's age. This is Priya's age. So tell me, after 10 years, her mother's age will be how much? 50 years, correct? This is after 10 years. Yes or no? Yes. Similarly, after 10 years, Priya's age is also going to increase only, na? ऐसा थोड़ी होगा कि प्रिया का एज 10 years था, अभी भी 10 years रहेगा. No, it is also going to increase after 10 years. Mother's age got increased by 10. Priya's age got increased by 10. Similarly, again, initially her mother's age was 40 and Priya's age was 10. What was the difference between their ages, student? Difference between their ages is 30. Okay. Later on, after 10 years also, when Priya's mother age is 50 and Priya's age is 20, still the difference is going to remain the same. Yes or no? Look here. Difference of the ages between the Priya and her mother is always going to remain same. Have you understood this concept? Yes, that the difference between the ages of Priya and her mother is always going to remain the same. So if we consider here, mother's age is 7 parts, Priya's age is 3 parts. Tell me what is the difference between their ages? What is the difference between their ages? Mother's age, that is 7x, minus 3x. It means the difference in their ages is equal to 5x. Correct? Yes or no? Just tell me fast. So, at the time of the birth of Priya and at the time of the birth of Priya, The difference between Priya and her mother's age is going to remain same. The difference between their ages is going to remain same, yes or no? So at the time of birth, Priya was of age. Zero age. Zero age, not 1 year, right? We consider it as zero age. And her mother's age was 48 years. So what is the difference between their ages? What is the difference between their ages? 48 years. Have you got this concept? First of all, tell me. The difference between the Priya's age and her mother's age at the time of her birth. Of whose birth? Priya's birth. The difference between the ages is 48 years. Have you got this concept? Yes? Yes? So, here, okay, 4x. Okay. Sorry, 4x. Okay? So, difference is 4x as per what, students? This is as per the parts. This is as per the parts. And the actual difference is 48 years. So, can I write 4x is equal to 48? Yes or no? Can I write 4x is equal to 48? Everyone should reply, please. 4x is equal to 48. So x is equal to what? 48 upon 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. We got the value of x, that is equal to 12. If the value of x is equal to 12, that is one part is equal to 12, then 3 parts, that is 3x will be equal to what, students? 12 into 3. And mother's age is of 7 parts. So 1 part is equal to 12. The 7 part will be equal to 12 into 7. 12 sevens are 84. 12 threes are 36. So 36 is the age of Priya, present age, and her mother's age is how much? 84. Students, please tell me once, have you understood the question and the solution? If not, then you can ask me now only. I'll give you some time. Clear, everyone? Venkanna, Chandan, Ashutosh, yes, Tamal, Zulfikar, everyone. Shilpa, Pallavi, Rashmi, Isha, Archie, everyone should reply. Okay. Fine. Is it correct? Yes. Have you understood the solution? Now, what are we going to do is, instead of solving all this solution, today I'll explain you one simple method via which you can solve this question within limited span of time. Okay, there is no need for doing all this calculation and all. I'll tell you first what is the question that we are going to solve. This is the question. First of all, let's focus to this question. What is the question? Look here. Ages of Shivali and Tani are in the ratio 11:7. Students, look here. Shivali's age and Tani's age ratio is given to us, that is 11 and Tani's 7, correct? So can I consider Shivali's age to be 11 parts, that is 11x, and Tani's age to be 7x, that is 7 parts? Yes. Okay. So here what happened, students? After 8 years, their ages changed to 15:11. Now look here, after 8 years, ages ratio changed to 15x, that is 15 parts. And here Tani's age has also increased by 8 years and this changed to 11x. Students, please try to understand, this is a ratio. This is not the actual age, that is 11 and 7. 11:7 is the ratio. It is not the actual age of Shivali and Tani. Okay? Okay? Fine. Look here. First of all, let's consider Shivali's age is 11 parts and Tani's age is 7 parts. After 8 years, what happened, students? Shivali's age became of 15 parts and Tani's it became of 11 parts. So first of all, see what is the difference for the parts. Parts का difference देखो. What is the difference in the parts, student? First of all, Shivali had 11 parts. Now she has 15 parts. So 15 parts minus अगर 11 parts if I do, how much parts difference I'll get? 15 minus 11 means 4x. Correct? Correct? What is my intention to tell you? Please understand that first. Her age was 11 parts before. Later on it changed to 5 parts. It means how much increment is there, student? Increment of 4 parts or 4x. Okay, later on, Tani's age, now look here, Tani's age 7x, it changed to 11x. It means how much increment is there, students? 4 parts, 4x. Okay, okay, look here. Please do not tell me the answer. Please look at the approach how I'm solving the question. Okay, please, for 5 minutes, just give me 5 minutes. Once I'll clear you this particular concept, then you can give me the solutions. Okay, so to tell me, students, here after 8 years there is increment of 4 parts. After 8 years for Tani also there is increment of 4 parts. Correct? It means, can I write these 4 parts is equal to 8 years? Yes or no? Please tell me. Please tell me, everyone. First of all, Shivali's age was 11 parts. It changed to 15 parts. How much increment is there? Increment of 4 parts. And these 4 parts have increased in how much years? 8 years. So 4 parts is equal to 8 years. Can I write this? Similarly, Tani's age also moved from 7 parts to 11 parts. Here also the increment is of 4 parts only. Can I write this 4 parts is equal to 8 years, students? Yes. Okay. So if 4 parts is equal to 8 years, what is the value of 1 part? Value of 1 part will be 2 years. Value of 1 part will be 2 years. So can you tell me the ages of Shivali before 8 years, students? Do not solve this question. Do not solve this question now. You tell me what are the ages, what is the age of Shivali and Tani before 8 years? First of all, tell me the answer of this question. Before 8 years, what was their ages? Everyone try to solve this. Everyone try to solve this. Tell me. Do not tell me the present age. Tell me 8 years before. Now what students will do? They will find the present age, and present age ढूंढने के बाद they will do 8 year minus. That things you don't have to do here. Look everyone. First of all, before 8 years, the 11x was the age of Shivali and 7x was age of Tani. So now you got the value of 1x or 1 part is equal to 2 year. So what will be the age of Shivali? 22 years. That is 11 twos are, and 7 twos are will give me 14 years. This is the age of Tani. Please, if you are not able to understand, I'll repeat thrice. But make sure that you're understanding the things over here. But instead of asking this question, this is 22 and Tani's age is 11. So instead of before, if they asked you after 8 years, what was the current age of Shivali and Tani is how much? Then what will be your answer, student? 1 part is equal to 2 years, ma'am. So the current age of Shivali is 15x, that is equal to 15 twos are. This will give me 30 years. Similarly, the current age of Tani is 11x. So 11 twos are will give me 22. So the age of Shivali is 30 years and that of Tani is equal to 22 years. Got it? Got it? I'll explain once again for the last time because this is an important question where Shivali and Tani's ratio of ages was given 11:7. This is before 8 years. Okay? And their current ages ratio is now 15:11. This thing happened after 8 years. Ratio has changed after 8 years, students. So first of all, Shivali's age was 11 parts. Later on, it became of 15 parts. How much part ka increment is there? There is increment of 4 parts. So similarly, Tani's increment is also 4 parts. 4 parts, 4 parts. This increment happened. This increment has happened in how much period of time? 8 years. So 4 part is equal to 8 years. 4 parts is equal to 8 years. So 1 part will be equal to 8 by 4. It means 2 years. If they ask you the current ages, please put the values in this form. That is 15 part means 15 twos are, because one part is equal to 2 years. So 15 part will be equal to 15 into 2. Similarly, 11 parts means 11 into 2. Why 2? Because one part is equal to 2 years again. But if they ask you what was their age before 8 years, then students, where are you going to put the value here? That is 11 parts, it means ma'am 11 into 2, and 7 parts, it means 7 into 2. Is it clear to you guys? Just pin down in the comment section. Is it clear to you? But in the question, what they have asked you is find the difference in years between the ages. Now, like previously explained, the age of mother and Priya, okay, the difference between their ages is going to remain same. I'll give you one example. For example, you are the elder sister of your family, okay, and you also have one younger brother, okay, you also have a younger brother, and the difference between both of your ages is 2 years, for example. Now tell me, today you are of 24 years old. Okay, you are 24 years old and your brother is of, for example, 22 years old. Okay, after 1 year, what will happen, students? You will be of 25, your brother will be of 23, correct? After 1 year, I'm talking. Still the difference is of 2 years only. ऐसा थोड़ी होगा कि आप बड़े होते जाओगे, आपका भाई छोटा रहेगा. This is not going to happen, that you are only going to increase your age number, your brother is not increased. This is not going to happen, correct? The difference between their ages is going to remain same. Yes? So same concept you have to apply here. Shivali and Tani. Shivali and Tani. Here, she is of 11 parts. She is of 7 parts. 11 parts minus 7 parts. Do it. How much you're going to get? 4 parts. Yes? So, we have to find the difference. It means 11 parts minus 7 parts. That is equal to 4 parts. This is nothing but difference. This is nothing but this is difference. Even if you do here, after 8 years also, Shivali is of 15 parts, Tani is of 11 parts. Again, the difference is of 4 parts only. So, 4 parts is equal to how much? Students, now tell me. 1 part is equal to 2 years, ma'am. So, 4 parts is equal to 4 twos are 8 years. So, 8 years is the answer for the given question. Because they have asked you to find the difference between their ages. Is everyone clear with the question? Anyone is having any kind of doubt, you can ask me. Should I move to the next question? Should I move to the next question, students? Yes, everyone? Okay. Dinesh is asking, ma'am, video is not yet. Dinesh, just tap on your video. There is like a setting wala icon on your right hand side. Okay, upside if you see on the screen. Click on it and there is a video quality option. Okay, just choose in that. Higher picture quality. Okay, clear? Fine. Suppose students now, I'll give you a twist in this question. Let's take a twist. Okay, let's learn the twist later on. Let's solve the question first of all. Chalo. Tell me the question number 2 ka answer. What should be the answer for this question? The perimeter of rectangle is given 64 centimeter. If the ratio of the lengths of two adjacent sides is 7:9, find the lengths of these sides. Tamal, why to do that? आपको अगर ages ढूंढने, if they are asking you to find the ages, then go for 30 years minus 22 years. When the question was only find the difference between their ages, to why then to waste the time? Like first of all find Shivali's age, then find Tani's age and do the subtraction. It's okay if you're doing, but also try to understand what is asked in the question. They have asked you the difference between their ages. So directly by taking the parts ka difference also you can find it out. Approach is correct, but it's quite lengthy, Tamal. Got it? So what should be the answer for the question? What should be the answer for the question? Tell me. First of all, you should know what is perimeter of rectangle. इसका formula सब बताएंगे. Tell me the perimeter of rectangle. Anyone knows the formula for the perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length into breadth. First of all, what is perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but it's a kind of boundary, you can say. In simple language, we can say that boundary. Okay, we are actually calculating out the boundary, okay, of rectangle, correct? So, what is the perimeter of rectangle? 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth, correct? Okay. So, do we know the actual length, students? No, we don't know the actual length, nor we know the breadth. We don't know the actual length, we don't know the breadth as well. Correct? What we know is their ratio. Their ratio. What is the ratio given here, students? Length upon breadth is equal to 7 by 9. So let us consider the length is of 7 parts or 7x, okay, and the breadth is of 9 parts, that is equal to 9x. Okay, got it? Put the values in the question, sorry, in the formula, you will get the answer. What is perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 64 given in the question. So put it into the formula. 64 is equal to 2 into 7x plus 9x. Solve it, you'll get the answer. Is everyone clear with this? Tell me fast. Is everyone clear? What is the value of x, students? What is the value of x? What is the value of x? Have you solved this? 2 3s are, 2 2s are. Okay? And this will give us how much? 16x. 16x is equal to 32. 16 2s are 32. So the value of x is equal to 2. Okay? So we got the value of x, from which the value of length 7x will be equal to 7 into 2, that is equal to 14. And the value of breadth is equal to 9x, that is equal to 9 into 2, 18. So 14 centimeter and 18 centimeter is the answer for the given question. Is everyone clear with this category? Fast. आया सबको समझ? Is the concept crystal clear? Type fast and tell me the answer of the next question. The ratio of length and the breadth of rectangle is 3:5 and its area is 1.35 centimeter. Find, this is centimeter square, okay? This is centimeter square. Find the length of the rectangle. Find the length of rectangle. What should be the answer? First of all, you should know what is area of rectangle. What is area of rectangle? What is area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Chalo, we got two formulas today, area of rectangle and perimeter of rectangle. Please make a note of these formulas into your formula notebook. If you don't know the formulas, it's okay. Sometimes it's happened that I also get confused between the formulas, okay? So always maintain a formula notebook and make a note of each and every formula, okay? So area of rectangle, even now, even if you are good at ratio and proportion, you don't know what is area of rectangle, then you won't be able to solve this question, right? So please make a note of the formula. So what is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Now what is given into the question? The ratio of the length and breadth is given, that is length upon breadth is equal to 3/5. Let the length or L be 3x or 3 parts and the breadth be 5x or 5 parts. Put the value in the given question. What is the area of rectangle given, students? 1.35 is equal to 3 into 5. So this will give me, sorry, 3x into 5x, okay? So 5 3s are 15, x square will give us how much, students? .09 centimeter, Ganesha is saying. Okay. Any other answer? Fast. 3C. What is asked? Length of the rectangle is asked, students. Length of the rectangle is asked. Tell me. Everything is shared to you. Okay, look here. 1.35. X is equal to what? 1.35 divided by 15. Okay, you don't know how to calculate it? 0.09. 0.09 centimeter. This is what? This is what? This is the value of x. Correct? Something is going wrong, I think. Actually, it is x square, no? So the value of x will be equal to what? 0.3. Sorry, my fault. This is the value of x square, na students. Why? Because 3x into 5x. 3 5s are 15x square. So value of x square will be equal to what? 1.3 divided by 15. That is x square is equal to 0.09. So what will be the value of x? 0.3. Okay, this is the value of x, but they have asked us to find the value of length. So 3 into 0.3. Why 0.3? Because the value of x is 0.3. This will give us 0.9 centimeter. 0.9 centimeter. Clear? Clear? Calculation be samjha. If not, then ask me. Everyone. Take your time. Go through the solution. If any step is not you are not able to understand, then you can ask me. 0.9 centimeter. Correct. Chalo. The ratio of present ages of John and Jim is 5:3. 4 years, hence the age will be 3:2. Find the present age of John. Find the present age of John. Tell me the answer. What should be the answer? Again, the same category that we have discussed before. Okay. What is the present age given, student? 5:3. This is of John and Jim. Let the John's age is 5 parts and Jim's age is 3 parts. Okay. After 4 years, their age ratio is changing to what? 3:2. That is 3 parts and 2 parts. This is happening after, students. This is happening after 4 years. Again, this is not the actual age. This is the ratio given. Correct? After 4 years. Now, here comes the twist. Here comes the twist. Okay. Solve it by traditional method. I'll explain you what to use the short trick. And the short trick that we have previously discussed before is not applicable to this question. Why it is not applicable, I'll explain you that also. Okay. When to understand that particular trick is not applicable, then what is the alternative method? I'll explain everything. Just solve it via traditional method and tell me the answer. Everyone. So here comes in frame DSA approach, where at the end of yesterday's session I told you we are going to learn DSA approach in the next session, correct? That is difference same approach. So, first of all, let's solve the question with the traditional method. Look here. What is the present age, student, of John and Jim? It is 5:3. 5:3. So, let John's age is 5x and Jim's age is 3x. Correct? Let the John's age be 5x and Jim's age is 3x. After 4 years, the ratio changed to 3:2. So student, 5x was the John's current age. After 4 years, it means plus 4. Similarly, Jim के लिए the current age is 3x. After 4 years, it means plus 4. The ratio is changing to 3 by 2. Is it correct, students? Have you understood this particular step? First of all, tell me. Current age is 5x for John. Current age for Jim is 3x. After 4 years means what, student? Plus 4 on both the sides. That is for John as well as Jim. Okay. The ratio becomes 3 by 2. The ratio becomes 3 by 2. Yes. The ratio becomes 3 by 2. So what to do, students? Yeah, Archie, very good concept that you have understood the concept, Archie. Archie has commented in the comment section, ma'am, difference of age is not same. Actually, this was the keynote that you have to understand. And based upon this terminology only comes a new concept in frame, that is difference same approach. I'll tell you later on. First of all, try to understand the question via traditional methodology. Okay, we'll explain that as well. Now look here. Do the cross multiplication, that is 2 into 5x plus 4 is equal to 3 into 3x plus 4. You can just solve it. 5 2s are 10 plus 4 2s are 8 is equal to 3 3s are 9x plus 3 4s are 12. Okay, so this will give me 10x minus 9x. Sorry, 10x minus 9x. This will give us 1x. And 12 minus 8. Okay, so x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 years. What they have asked you? Present age of John and Jim. What is the present age, student? Present age is 5x and 3x. So 5 into 4 and 3 into 4. 5 4s are 20, 3 4s are 12. So 12 and 20 is the correct answer for the given question. They have asked you about only John, right? So John's current age is 20 years. So option number D is the correct answer. Okay. So do we have time? Can I continue for 5 more minutes? I'll explain you the concept now. Look at this question of Shivali and Tani. Please understand this question once again. Current age for Shivali and Tani was 11 and 7, that is 11x and 7x, correct? Okay. Later on, their age changed to 15x and 11x. Okay. This happened when, students? After 8 years. After 8 years on both sides, correct? After 8 years on both the sides. On both sides, it means on Shivali's side as well as Tani's side. Okay. So, how many parts did Shivali had increment of? She had 11 parts before. Later on, she got 15 parts. It means 4 part ka increment, that is 4x. On other side, look here, the Tani's age is 7x and Tani's age later on became of 4x. So 4x increment had happened again on both the end. Shivali's age also got incremented or increased by 4x. Tani's age also got increased by 4x. When did this happen, student? When did the increment of 4x happen? This increment happened in 8 years. So 4x was equivalent to 8 years. This was the concept that you had to understand here. Okay. Okay. But in this question, where John's age was 5 and 3. This was the ratio of 5x and 3x. Okay. Later on, their age changed, the ratio of their ages changed to 3:2, that is 3x and 2x, correct? But this increment happened in how much years, students? 4 years. That is, after 4 years, John's age increased from 5x to 3x, and Jim's age increased from 3x to 2x. Okay, 4 years on both the sides. But are the parts same on both sides? No. Why? Because 5x to 3x जा रहा है. How much parts got increased? 2x. And here the age moved from 3x to 2x. How much part increased? Only one part, student. Actually, it got decreased, not even increased. 1x. So here, difference which was same in case of Shivali and Tani, that is 4x, 4x on both the sides, is not same for John and Jim. Understood? Understood, students? What was the actual fault that where we cannot use this particular particular trick to solve the question? Why cannot we use the same trick that we have used in Shivali's and Tani's question, where directly we have considered 4 part is equal to 8 years? Can we consider 2 parts is equal to 4 years or minus 1 part is equal to 4 years? We cannot consider this. Why? Because if John's age is increased by 2 parts after 4 years, it is mandatory that Jim's age should also increase by 2 parts. If Jim's age is increasing, for example, by 4 parts, then John's age should also increase by 4 parts in the given period of time. 4 years, it may be 10 years, it may be, okay, 2 years. Got it? Everyone got, okay. Everyone, have you got what was the fault where we cannot use this particular trick? Please pin down in the comment section. Now I'll teach you what is different same approach for this question. How to solve this question. Now basically what we have to do, here the difference was of 2 years, here the difference was of 1 year. We actually have to make it same. And to make it same, we use a DSA method, that is difference same approach. Difference same approach method. Okay, so let's see what is DSA. Actually, we are running out of time. Okay, first of all, tell me, Tamal did not have. Okay, Tamal is saying that kindly explain again, ma'am. Okay, Tamal, before explaining you again, tell me, have you got this thing? What is the difference between the Shivali's and Tani's question, and what is the difference between this John and Jim's question? Yes or no? This question and this question. Basic difference. What is the basic difference between both questions? Have you understood this? Yes? Okay. So, here in Shivali's and Tani's question, after 8 years on both the side, both's age, that is Shivali's as well as Tani's age, got increased by 4 parts. But in case of John and Jim's question, here John's age got increased by 2x, but Jim's age got decreased by 1x. Now here the parts are not same. Here the parts are not same, or the difference is not same. Correct? So we have to make it same. Okay, so it will take some time, students, to explain the DSA approach. So we'll explain this category in tomorrow's lecture. Fine? I'll tell you what is DSA, that is difference same approach, in tomorrow's lecture. We'll like discuss few more questions based on it. Okay? In tomorrow's session. Is it clear, everyone? So one more thing is left. I'll give you some questions as homework now. Please take a screenshot of the question number 5. Please take screenshot of question number 5. Please take screenshot of question number 5. Done? Done. Okay. Take the screenshot of question number 6. Question number 6. Done? Okay. Take the screenshot of question number 7. These are the 3 questions that you are going to solve as homework. Please take the screenshot of question number 5, 6 and 7. Okay? And solve this question as homework. We'll discuss these questions in tomorrow's lecture. Okay? So tomorrow will be end of the ratio and proportion, and or else I'll do one thing. Fine. Like club 2 classes together. That is one of number series which I'm starting tomorrow. Okay. So tomorrow the topic that we are starting is number series. Okay. Number series. So number series and alphabetical series are these 2 topics which we are going to club together and study. Okay, done. And we'll complete this topic hardly in 2 days. 2 days, 2 to 3 days. 3 days or also more for this. We'll discuss maximum to maximum 50 questions of this, including both. इसका 25 कर लेंगे and this 25. 25, 25, 50 questions of this. And also alpha numeric series. So before coming in tomorrow's lecture, what you have to do, first of all, solve the question number 5, question number 6 and question number 7. Later on, as I have already told you from last 2-3 sessions, not just from last 2-3 sessions, I am telling it from the first session of our percentage, that please go through tables. Tables up to 30 are mandatory. You should know the tables up to 30. Okay. Later on, next thing that you should know is squares up to 30. Now this is important for number series, alphabetical series. I am telling you again. Cubes, minimum up to 25, maximum up to 30. Okay. Excluding this, you should know the square roots. Square roots up to 25. Enough. Cube roots up to 20 is also enough, but still I would say 25. Okay. Later on, here you should know what are natural numbers. Even if you don't know, I'll explain you in tomorrow's lecture. What are whole numbers? What are prime numbers? What are integers? Okay. Later on, you should know what are composite numbers. What are real numbers? Okay, you should know each and everything about basically types of numbers. Okay, okay, done. These things are important. I'm highlighting again. These things are much important compared to this. Natural number, whole number, prime number is important. Even if you skip this, it's okay. Natural number is important, whole number is important, prime number is important. Okay, so this is the thing that you're gonna do on your own level, because ये तो कर नहीं सकते ना टेबल्स बैठ के लिख रहे, that's not possible. Okay, so thank you for joining the session, students. I hope you have understood each and everything that we have discussed in today's class. Later on, प्लीज डू हिट द लाइक बटन अगर आपको थोड़ा भी वीडियो अच्छा लगे. योर लाइक्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट, योर कमेंट्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट. आपके कमेंट्स बाद में पढ़ने के लिए बहुत अच्छा लगता है. ठीक है, सो प्लीज टेक आउट सम टाइम एंड प्लीज do comment in the comment section. Okay, thank you for joining the session. Have a great day. 6 p.m. there is a class of I think communication. पता नहीं किसका, प्रियंका मैम का क्लास है. Do attend it. Okay, thank you for joining the session.